Good day, Ma'am Lenebel Amparo, fellow students. I'm Gannett Marie L. Solis. It's with great pleasure that I'm here to shed light on a fascinating venture that merged tradition with craftsmanship, keeping Lukban manufacturing. Here are the contents on what we're reporting in this day. Firstly, let's delve into the company's background. Keeping Lukban Manufacturing, as the name suggested, is deeply rooted in the heart of Lukban, Quezon, specializing in design, crafting, and distribution of exquisite keeping chandeliers and floral decorations. The company brings the vibrant spirit of the Pahiyas Festival to life. The two men in the pictures are Sir Alvin Salido and Corots, the men behind the keeping. I will not dive into details, but here are their contact information. The company started in 1999 and is well known for making high quality products. In 2003, they opened a physical store which helped them grow even more. They use a special kind of paper called abaca paper to make their products because it's strong unlike the original keeping. During festival called Pahayas, they hired extra people to help meet the increased demand for their products. Sometimes their employees even work from home, which helps build their strong production. Now, let's journey through the operation process chart that will discussed by Mr. Marca.
Thank you, Gwen. Now let's discuss the operation process chart of Lokban Keeping Manufacturing. Upon receiving the existing operation process chart is upon receiving the main material, which is the abaca paper. The first process is to cut the paper into two, and then after cutting into two, they will paint it, and then let the paper dry. Tapos pagkatapos namang ma-dry, i-inspect nila kung may white spot pa. And then pag na make sure na nilang wala ng white spot, i-fold nila yung abaca paper, tapos ikakat nila into lip shape. Tapos may magaganap na naman inspection dun sa after nilang ikat sa lip shape para ma-make sure na tama yung pagkakat nila sa lip shape. After cutting into lip shape, isa-separate mo na nila yung mga nagawa na until ma-cut nila lahat ng abaca paper into lip shape. And then, i-forward nila yung lip shape into 4. Ipapuncherin nila ito, and then lalagyan ng yarn. After nilang malagyan ng yarn yung mga lip shape, pupunta naman ito sa another operation, which is yung mga lip ilalagay sa first ring, and then after mailagay sa first ring, magkakaroon ng inspection upang makita kung clean na ba yung pagkakalagay. And then, lalagyan ng nylon yung sa gitna ng mga leaf para magiging stable yung pagkakalagay, tapos magkakaroon ng inspection if balance na ba. Ganon din yung mga yari doon sa second and third ring. Ang pagkakaiba lang dito sa existing, isa-isa nilang ginagawa yung first, second, and third na ring para may lagay. Tapos pagkatapos namang may lagay sa yung malagyan yung tatlong ring, i-assemble naman ito gamit yung thick nylon upang maging balance nga. Tapos pag na-assemble na, magkakaroon ng inspection kung balance na nga ba yung pagkakalagay ng lantern, chandelier. Tapos ilalagay na ito sa kakaroon naman ng konting inspection upang makita kung tama na ba yung pagkakagawa. And then ilalagay na ito sa storage room. Now sa improve method, meron kami mga sinuggest na sa machinery na dapat mayroon yung company upang mas mabilis yung kanilang process, which gaya ng blower at yung cutting machine na lip shape para mas mabilis yung kanilang process. Same lang naman yung operation, kaya nga lang sa improve, kaya nga lang mas mapapabilis yung process kasi mas mapapabilis yung process gaya na sa drying kasi may blower na. Tapos pagdating naman doon sa cutting ay may gamit ng machine. Tapos yung paglalagay ng leaf into yung sa mga rings, simultaneous na dapat nilang ginagawa upang maiwasan yung idle time nung leaf nung nasa ring para sa assembly, para sa bilis sa assembly nila. Para mas kakaunti nga yung time na kailangan ma-wait yung first ring para mas ma-assemble ito mas mabilis. After assembly nga, magkakaroon din ng konting inspection. Tapos packaging naman, tapos inspection ulit, tapos ilalagay na storage. Now let's
So this is the existing flow process chart of Lokban Keeping Manufacturing Product and Materials. Makikita naman natin na yung flow process chart is more detailed compared to operation process chart. Mas detailed siya kasi dito na i-record yung mga non-production hidden costs kagaya ng distance traveled, delays, tsaka ng temporary storages. Merong 5 symbols na nakikita dito. Arrow is for transportation, malaking D is for delay, equilateral triangle for storage, square is for inspection, and the circle is for operation. Makikita natin na mas madami yung process dito sa existing. Next slide na. If i-compare natin siya dito sa improved flow process chart ng Lokban Keeping Manufacturing. Next slide, yung summary yung i-discuss. And makikita naman natin dito sa summary yung difference nila in terms of operation. Mas kaunti ang number of operation and time of existing FPC sa improve. Pero makikita natin na same lang sila ng distance, and in terms sa inspection, ang number of inspection ng existing ay mas lamang ng isa compared sa improve, and mas lamang rin ng time. And for the distance, the existing was 21 feet down to 2 feet, which is the improve. Sa number of transportation naman, sa existing ay 4, samantalang sa improve ay naging 3 na lang. However, mas mataas ang time ng improve sa existing, pero in terms of distance, from 15.8 feet down to 11 feet, sa storages naman, yung number of storages from existing FPC ay down to 4 down to 3, and the time from the improved FPC is a bit lesser than the existing. And lastly, from the delays, the number of delays in existing FPC is 4, and sa improved, naging 3 na lang siya. Makikita natin yung malaking difference sa time. Mas bumaba yung delay time sa improved FPC from 10.75 minutes to 0.75 minutes.
So, next naman po yung flow process chart ng operative, which is yung existing nito. Nakita natin sa OPC, parang same lang din naman siya. Kaso, siyempre may mga nadagdag dito, katulad ng sa FPC ng materials, mayroong mga nakalagay na event symbol, event or yung mga process, time, distance, at meron dito nakalagay na method recommendations. So sa event, yun lang din naman yung mga nakalagay sa OPC, tapos dun sa doon nga sa OPC. Ang nakalagay lang dito mga event symbols, tapos nga yun ng time, distance, saka method recommendations. Kung makikita natin, madami dito sa existing. Medyo magulo, or madaming process na ginagawa. So, dito nakalagay sa method recommendation, dun sa going back to workplace, going to paint room, opening and closing gate, may nakalagay na recommendation na dapat may label organization arranged sa workplace so can be accessed quickly to use machine to use. Tapos doon naman sa recommendation for cutting abaca into 2, dapat merong sa recommendation na sinabi, dapat merong machine na ginagamit para mas mapabilis yung process. Tapos doon naman sa moving abaca to drying area at moving painted abaca back to workplace, dapat naka-separate both of the same time. Tapos doon sa getting the wire from the storage, going back to workstation, getting nakalagay na recommendation ay dapat ay get all the materials from storage room in the beginning. Bago pa magsimula, dapat kinukuha na para hindi na mas madami yung ikot. Tapos, lastly, doon sa put nylon around leaves to balance and inspect if balance, dapat matapos na rin siya simultaneously. Next slide po. So, dito naman makikita natin yung summary sa existing. Sa summary, merong total number of location, meron lang silang dalawang location. Ang distance ay 121 feet, tapos ang nabuong total time is 0.42 minutes. Tapos, sa operation at info, merong total number of 12. Ang distance ay 21 feet, tapos ang total time ay 198.65 minutes. Tapos sa transportation ay merong total number of 10. Total distance is 326 feet, and the total time is 5.05 minutes. Tapos naman sa storage, merong total number of 1, and the total time of 10 minutes. Tapos merong nangyaring delay. So, merong 3. Tapos ang total distance is 2 feet, and the total time is 2.92 minutes. Tapos sa inspection, which is 5, the total number, and the total distance is wala. Tapos the total time is 1.95 minutes. Next slide po. Tapos naman, makikita natin dito sa improve ng operative ng FPC. mapapansin natin na nabawasan yung event o yung process sa paggawa ng keeping. Kasi, nai, nai, ano na natin yung recommendation na galing dun sa existing. Nagawa na natin yung recommendation. So, instead na na kumpleto pa yan, nabawasan siya. So, makikita natin na getting materials from storage, going to paint room. Diba, napansin natin dun sa existing nasa bandang huli siya. Tapos nung sa recommendation na ginawa natin ay dapat na maiuna siyang gawin. Kaya nasa bandang una na siya ngayon. Next slide po, sa summary. Sa summary naman, so dahil nga doon sa mga recommendation para hindi na maging magulo, ang naging location na ay 7, which is ang total distance ay 25 feet, tapos ang total time na lang ay 1.17 minutes. Tapos ang operation add info ay 12, tapos total distance ay 29 feet, total time is 205.15 minutes, tapos ang transpo ay 9, total distance 29 feet, and total time is 2.6 minutes. Tapos ang delay ay isa na lang. Ang total time is 0.75 minutes. Tapos ang inspection is 5, total distance is 2 feet, and total time is 3.4 minutes.
Dito po sa flow diagram, dito po natin makikita yung representation ng sequence of movement ng isang tao o ng mga tao na gumagawa dito sa keeping Lokban manufacturing. Dito po sa existing ay makikita natin na yung paint room po nila ay nasa labas. So, inefficient po yun. Kumbaga, maglalakad ka pa po palabas. Kukonsumo ka pa po ng time. At syempre, dito rin po sa existing na diagram ay makikita po natin na marami pa pong spaces may marami pa pong spaces na hindi nagagamit. Then, yung workplace po nila, makikita po natin ay medyo magulo po. Which is okay lang naman po makapag-produce ka pa naman po. Pero hindi nga lang po efficient dahil maya ka pa rin po pupunta sa storage dahil minsan hindi mo nakuha lahat-lahat. Then, kaya po nag-isip po kami nag-isip po kami para masuggest sa kanila na ang mas ma-efficient na paraan ay ito na po yung next slide. Dito po sa improve, makikita na po natin na halos lahat po nung spaces ay nagamit natin ng maayos. So, as you can see po, nilagyan na po natin ng door dun sa mismong paint area para hindi ka na po kukonsumo, hindi ka na po lalabas dun sa store para makapaglakad dun sa papuntang paint room. Then, makikita rin po natin na ang painting room po ay naging ventilated na. Kasi sabi po sa amin nung mga nagtatrabaho po dun ay medyo masama daw po sa kalusugan yung pintura. Medyo na daw po sila. So, ginawa po namin ventilated po para at least po medyo mabawasan po namin yung toxic nung room na yun. Then dito po makikita po natin yung sequence na binago namin. Yung storage po ay nilagay namin po dun sa gilid. Dito po sa rightmost area para po mayroon siyang access sa receiving area, cutting area at ventilated painting room. So dahil po dito sa storage room ay mas mabilis po makukuha ng gumagawa ng keeping yung kailangan niyang kuhain dito sa storage room ng maayos po at hindi po sila makikita dun sa receiving area. Makikita rin po natin dito na maayos na po yung flow po nung process ng paggawa ng keeping manufacturing. Dito po mas magiging productive po at efficient yung paggawa ng keeping.
Now we'll proceed to the analysis. So there are 10 primary approaches to operation analysis, which are already shown sa screen. So we picked dito sa 10 ng top 5 most important approach or what we should be focusing on. And the first one is tolerance and specification. Next one, which is basically yung quality assurance niya. So when it comes to quality, the manufacturing company ensure that the consistently meet their customers' standards. Kumbaga ay hindi lang sila basta-basta gumagawa at nagpo-produce. Yung reason din nila sa hindi paggamit ng machine is because they can better guarantee the quality ng keeping, especially yung sa pagcut ng leaves. They also mentioned that when they have interns daw or students working with them, they guide them in the process to ensure that their customers are not disappointed or will not be disappointed. Next is yung process of manufacture. So, dito papasok yung mechanical improvement. So, paano nga ba nila may improve yung process of manufacturing from manual to mechanical operation? So, since mano-mano nga nilang ginagawa yung keeping, we suggest na yung process can be improved from manual cutting of the materials to manual machine cutting. In this way, the production process will be more efficient and it will be less time consuming. Next is the material handling. So, ayun nga, mayroon nga bang proper storage and organization of materials? And based on what we saw, the manufacturing company has proper storage and organization of materials where they put the raw materials and finished products sa shelves, racks, and containers separately so that they know where they stored and kung saan nila i-retrieve yung mga materials and yung finished products. Though para ma-enhance and ma-optimize yung material handling procedures in order to boost efficiency and save costs, we suggest that they could put labels on every shelves, racks, and cabinets para madaling malocate yung materials na kailangan nilang gamitin to prevent thinking first, where did they put them? Then, motion economy naman. So, ano naman yung mga strategies and ways to minimize wasted motion and labor fatigue ng mga workers? Sinisigurado ng company na yung mga workers nila ay familiar and well-trained with the processes and expected quality of the product. While our group proposed naman that they can relocate the painting room near to the work area where the majority of the process takes place in order to reduce workers' travel time. We also suggest nga to purchase a cutting machine as it takes the workers a lot of time to cut the paper into a leaf shape. Last is the design of the part, which is basically design simplification. Since the materials needed for making keeping ay hindi naman ganoon kadami ang kailangan. Pero yung pagsisimplify ng design nito can reduce some materials, such as yung smallest ring used in the layers of keeping. They can make all 3 layers the same size. In this way, their product will have a simpler appearance, but the quality will still be ensured. And that's all for the top 5 approaches.
The results that we found ay dito nakikita po natin na kinakailangan ng efficiency, lalong-lalo na sa manufacturing processes. Siya ay napaka-importante para ma-sustain yung productivity and to keep on improving na rin. We also found out that the material transfer process takes excess time and nakakatagal ito sa paggawa because of its location, as Miss Cyrene mentioned earlier na rin. That's why we suggested na ilapit yung storage areas closer sa production lines, lalong-lalo na sa painting room to avoid long travels ng employees. Isa pang na-note namin is yung lack of machine. Di pa po. Yan. Lack of machine to expedite their work, especially in cutting. Kasi cutting manually also takes time. So, yung pag-use ng machine ay suggested para mapadali at mas accurate ang pag-cut nila. Next slide po. Ayan. And so, the previous observation led us to propose improvements itong following: reducing travel time during material transfer by yun nga paglapit, and using machine cutting for paper. And yun nga po, yung previous observation led us to propose improvements to demonstrate the need for process optimization. That's all po. Thank you.